In this time-lapse sequence, you will see the results of the remanufacture process followed by the press installation and startup. This time-lapse was taken at Graphic Innovators' facility in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. The remanufacture of this 1978 Harris M1000A included the following: teardown to the frames and complete remanufacture, replacing all worn parts and components. All new Class 11 gears, bearings, bushings, and seals. Remanufactured cylinders with new updated lockups and reel rods. Narrow gap modification. Enhanced register systems. All new hard rollers. New Baldwin spray dampening. New vibrator gear drive. Retrofit for increased speed. This includes new gear side guards, heat exchangers for the oil bath and enhanced oil lubrication system. Motorized ink fountain roller drive. Reconditioning of all side frame bores and all bearing housings. Part of our remanufactured presses includes the replacement of all outdated electronics. New Allen Bradley drives, PLCs, and remote I/Os are all part of the upgrade package. In addition to the printing units, Graphic Innovators remanufactured all auxiliary components to make a complete press. This included Butler splicer, infeed, thermoelectron dryer, chill roll stand, remoist gluer, web crossover system with two 90-degree angle bar sections, and complete inline finishing system. Upon completion, each machine remanufactured by Graphic Innovators is run under power and tested mechanically. These units carry a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Make-ready features, print quality, and longevity rival any new press being manufactured today.